Today we're looking at the Pacesetter package for the HCT and LPX. As you know, both of these models are already very well equipped, but what we've done with the Pacesetter package are take the handful of options that you as the consumer have said, hey, these are the most important to the day-to-day work I do. We've taken those, grouped them into a package, called it the Pacesetter, and providing it at an extraordinary value. Starting off with the structure of the trailer. The cross members on the HCT and LPX standard are 16 inches apart. What we've done in the Pacesetter package is included the cross members on 12-inch center option. And so what that does is moves your floor supports closer together, helping the trailer stand up to longer term use with like heavy, very heavy, dense equipment that you're loading on and off of. It gives your floor more support. Next is the fork holder package. That allows you to take the pallet forks off of a skid steer and be able to stow them in the side of the trailer. Next is the 36-inch long step for deck access. Makes access to and from the ground up onto the deck much easier, making you be able to access your equipment easier, that sort of thing. And the last thing in the package, one of my favorites, the 3/16 super heavy duty fenders. I've always said with these fenders, when you've seen them going down the road, there's no doubt you've seen the fenders that are all wavy and just demolished going down the highway. Well, whatever you hit with these fenders is probably going to be tore up worse than the fender is. The Super Duty fenders are very stout and are what I always call, if you've watched many videos, cheap insurance, especially if you've got a fleet of trailers and you got crews running your equipment. Oftentimes they don't watch out just as well as the owner would. And so these come in clutch. Jump online, diamondsea.com, check out the Pacesetter option, see what Pacesetter means for you. Hold up, wait a minute. Just one question that we do get asked often about the Pacesetter package ever since it came out is, can I upgrade beyond the Pacesetter? The answer is yes. On this HCT, if you wanted to add a hydraulic jack and you've already got the Pacesetter package, no problem. If you want to make the bed a power tilt, you've already got Pacesetter on it, no problem.